Good morning students, welcome to your Mont II English class Wonderland of Alphabets workbook. Open book page number 9. Students, here's the activity on book page number 9. Write the beginning sound in each box and then color. Write the beginning sound in each box and then color. Students, here are the pictures. What's this? It's jelly. Jelly. Flower. It's flower. Lady's finger. Key. Milk. Igloo. Jelly. Flower. Lady's finger. Key. Milk. Igloo. Students, firstly you have to write the beginning sound. What's this? It's jelly. The sound of jelly is
J for jam, J for jaguar, J, 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 J.
J. J. Jelly. You have to write here J. J. Jelly. It's flower. The sound of flower is
F for fan, F for fox, F, F, F. F, F, F.
flower. Right here is the beginning sound of flower. Lady's finger. You have to write here L. The sound of lady's finger is L.
For ladybug, L for lollipop, la la la, la la la.
You have to write here L. It's key. The sound of
K for kangaroo, K for koala, K, 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 K.
right here K. It's milk. Milk. The sound of M is M.
M for mother, M for mango, M, 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 M.
And it's the beginning sound. Igloo. Igloo.
For idea, I for ice cream, I for iguana, I for igloo, E.
Igloo. Igloo. Students, now you have to color in pictures. It's jelly. You have to color in jelly. I have a yellow color here. हमने इसमें कलर करना है बिल्कुल इस तरह से कि कलर बाहर भी ना जाए, बिल्कुल भी बाहर ना निकले और कहीं से वाइट भी ना रहे. Students, here's the red color. It's flower. Flower. The sound of F is flower. Kids, now it's your turn. You have to write beginning sound in each box and then color. On page number 9. Allah Hafiz.